K for kite, K for king. L for lion, L for leaf. M for mango, M for moon. N for next, N for nose. O for owl, O for orange. P for pen, P for parrot. Q for queen, Q for quilt. R for rabbit, R for rose. S for sun, S for star. T for tiger, T for tree. U for umbrella, U for uniform. V for van, V for vegetable. W for watch, W for water. X for X-ray, X for xylophone. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra, Z for zip. बच्चों बजाओ ताली।